In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear right next to Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!